Kaiser Permanente workers may vote to strike next month if they can't reach a contract agreement.
And this comes after months of negotiations in the midst of a nationwide healthcare staffing crisis. Fox 12's Sarah HURWITZ joins us live now with what the union is asking for and Kaiser's response. Sarah?
Oh, good evening. Kaiser workers tell me they need safe staffing levels in order to provide the community the care that it needs. And it also does say that, well, we've also talked to Kaiser, who says it's worked hard to ease stresses of the pandemic for employees, and it believes continued discussion is the best way to resolve these issues. Months of negotiations with no agreement. Kaiser Permanente workers represented by the Oregon Federation of Nurses and Health Professionals are poised to strike.
So we're demanding that Kaiser offer proposals that will help stabilize the health of our community.
JODI BARSCHOW, a registered nurse and president of OFNHP, says there were patient care issues before the pandemic. She says for years healthcare systems have operated with lean staffing while seeing an increasing number of patients.
We're operating under a very lean system, higher acuity, higher volume of patients that are coming in through the door. So we absolutely must have staffing, and that's our #1 priority.
BARSCHOW says the union is concerned that current proposals from Kaiser would accelerate the staffing crisis, and it's asking for the company to invest in its employees and patients. The union says 3,300 employees are eligible to strike at the end of the month when their contracts expire. She says the union is also concerned about low wages.
We put our proposals forward, but when Kaiser is offering 1% or 1% lump sum, that's far below community standard, and we are definitely expecting an increase to that proposal.
But Kaiser says employees represented by the union earn 27% above the average market wage.
Our goal is to keep and continue providing market-leading wages and benefits. We want to attract and retain. So that's our goal, and we want to get back to the table and come to an agreement with them.
Kaiser Permanente COO Wendy Watson says the company is trying to do as many things as it can to get through the staffing crunch.
Hiring additional staff, we're bringing in traveler support, because part of this is an increase in demand that's, partly related to the COVID surge. We should get through this and hopefully at some point get to a more normal demand level. National Guard has been in helping us. We've been leveraging our own internal workforce to help in the hospitals in particular where we've been challenged.
And Watson expressed gratitude to Kaiser employees.
What they've been doing has been just amazing, incredible dedication and commitment, and we're so incredibly grateful for that. So I don't want that to be lost in any of these discussions.
Now, the union expects to vote to authorize a strike sometime in October if they can't reach an agreement before then. By law, the union says Kaiser would need to be given a 10-day notice before workers would walk out. We do know that the union is planning a rally on September 28th. Reporting live tonight in Beaverton, Sarah HURWITZ, Fox 12 Oregon.